So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another video, and I have just purchased this Asian coin lot. Now I sort of have a rough idea of what coins are in here, but I actually just wanted the South Vietnamese coins. So we'll have a look and we'll see what other coins are actually in here. But if you have a look, you can see Malaysian coins, Filipino, is that Jamaican? Looks like this Singapore, South Vietnam, SLC, and there's a Thai coin up there. So let's just go through it and I will sort it out one by one. So we'll look at the Jamaican Penny, so pre-decimal penny. I believe they decimalised in 1969. I need to confirm that. And they actually only issued half pennies and pennies. This one actually quite nice. Has Latin and pineapple. On the obverse we have Queen Elizabeth II. So I think that's an outlier. Then we have Malaysia. So these are the 1967 to 85 issue. And this is 82, so probably a common year. Still in pretty good condition. Then we have another Malaysian, 76. All the designs are pretty the same. This is the central bank. And the crescent and star, that is used in Islam, but is actually also on the Malaysian flag. Then we have the current $1 coin from Singapore, and as you can see, has a security feature in there, and has a half lion, half fish animal, and it's reeded. And here is the coat of arms. So 2017. These actually started to be issued in 2013. Then we have straight settlement. So this is a coin that was issued in Malaysia, Brunei, and Singapore. Straight settlements only included some of the states of Malaysia. It did not include any of the territories on Borneo, and I believe it did might have included Singapore. This one's King George V. So a nice 1920 coin, square. There's another square coin. Let's have a look at that. This is a 1940. So these ones are actually not too expensive. Not too sure on the actual price. Probably a few dollars each. And these ones were used up until I believe the 60s when they actually issued a round coin. So a nice square coin, very unique to Malaysia at the time period. Another first year of the Malaysian coinage, 1967. And here we have a 1973. So this is a 50 cent. And as you can see, it's actually has Bank Negara Malaysia on the side. It's imprinted twice, and that's actually quite a nice coin. Then we have another, Philippines. So 5 centavos, 1964. So this is the English issue, and this was issued to 1966 or 65 when they actually issued they issued a Filipino version. So this is in Tagalog, 1971. As you can see, Central Bank of the Philippines, Republica ng Filipinas. And it has the denomination in Tagalog instead of in English. So this one, I believe, was issued up into the 70s. Talk about this one. And this one up into 65 or sometime. Okay, got quite a few Malaysian coins. Let's get them out the way. There's 73, 71. Okay, this is 73 in very good condition. 68. I don't think any of these are actually worth too much money. Then we have a South Vietnam 20 dong. This is the highest coin actually issued in 1968. And these you can actually get them with die cracks on the sides. So I've got two here. These actually used to cost about $15, but the price has come down a lot. And now you can get them for about probably $8 to $10 each. And no, this one doesn't have die cracks. And these are nickel plated steel, so if it actually turns black on the side, that is actually the steel corroding. Okay, another Philippines coin. This is one of my favorite issues. And this is a 1 peso, is it? Yep, 1 peso. Has a beautiful cow. It has a scientific name. It's a type of bovine. Dosa Brazil appears on all 1 peso coins and banknotes. It doesn't matter how they actually changed it. Then we have another South Vietnamese coin. There's a rice on this side, 1964. 10 dong. Then we have a 5 dong, 1966. So, curious feature about these coins is that the 1 dong is issued in 1960, the 10 dong in 1964, and the 5 dong in 1966. So there was a 2-year gap in which they didn't actually have a 5 dong. Then we have another Filipino. So this one's a 1945. So this would have been a large mintage. It has S for San Francisco. And it has a guy sitting down. He has a hammer, and this is the anvil, and there's a volcano in the background. So that's actually quite nice. 67, 10 cent. Oh, and here's the second version. So it's a 1989 10 cent. That one's in pretty good condition. Now the 1 cent, they stopped issuing these in 2006. So that's 1989. This one's I think it's copper plated zinc. Looks quite light. Or a copper plated steel. Can't remember. So we have a few 1978. This one's probably, yep, it's plated as well. And 88. This one looks like it has a cud there. So it's a good find. Oops. So this one's an error coin. So it has, you can actually quite clearly see it. So that might add a little bit of value, but I'm not too sure. Then we have a Thai 1 baht, issued from I think 1982 to 2008, 17, and they actually changed it over. Oh no, this one's the 2009 to 2017 issue. And if you're looking at the date is up here. It has 2552. So that's in the British year. Okay, and then we have another coin, 1977. This has Bank Central Philippines, 1949. And this one has Francisco Baltasar. And these 70s coins, I'm not really keen on. They just don't look good, not to me anyway. Okay, another earlier Tagalog coin. This one is dated 1968. this is a coin alignment. And then we have another Philippines, 1 centimos. This one's actually quite nice, 1968. So, as you know, they don't issue a 1 centimos in aluminium anymore. It's aluminium, and this is a nickel brass, it might be, it looks like it. They actually issue a steel 1 centimos, and probably really it's not worth issuing a 1 centimos because it's not a very valuable coin. With 50 pesos equals 1 Australian dollar. Even if they have a coin of 1 cent, that's 50 centavos or centimos. Okay, so here we have 5 centimos with 0.1%, 1974. Haven't got one of those, so that's gone into the collection. Okay, another 10 centimos. Okay, it's the current 5 cent of Singapore, 2015. It's quite nice. Okay, here's the first 1 dong they actually issued in South Vietnam. I think there's about 100 million of these coins, so they shouldn't be too expensive. And here, I forget this guy's name, but he was actually assassinated in 1964. And another 10 dong, 1964 as well. Okay, just a few more coins, so we've got some, and they're all Malaysian. So, except for 1 Hong Kong, so nice coins. 67, 81. So these are all pretty old coins, not in circulation anymore. 1989. So someone kept a lot of these 1 cent from 1989. And my favourite Malaysian coin, a 5 cent. Nice small coin, but I actually quite like it. Okay, 78. And good one from 1988. And the last coin I actually have is a 1876 Hong Kong 1 cent. And it's got Queen Victoria. Although it's probably in very good condition. It's one coin I actually don't have in my collection. So, I just thought I'd make a video while I was actually going through and have a look at what new coins I got. I'd like to say thank you very much and have an awesome coin collecting time. Thank you and bye bye.